Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add reviews from Trustpilot to your Wix website. So let's get started. First thing, you're going to find yourself at the Wix homepage. And what you want to do before we do anything else is click the first link down in the description and install an application called Thera. Alternatively, you can hover over apps and click on app market right here. Then what you want to do is you want to search apps for Thera, F-E-R-E. Once again, you can simply click the first link down in the description and install the app directly. You can see I have the app already installed, but what you want to do is you want to click on it and install the app to your Wix website. All right, so once you've installed the app, you're going to find yourself at this page right here inside of Thera application. So to import reviews from Trustpilot to your Wix website, you want to click add/import reviews right here. Then you want to navigate to the top right corner and click add reviews. Once you've done that, you want to click on the first option which says import or sync. Here, you can choose Trustpilot as an import option. So choose Trustpilot. Now it's going to ask you to connect your Trustpilot accounts to your Thera and to your Wix website. So you want to simply connect your Trustpilot. And once you've done that, all you got to do is simply click sync now. And that is how you import reviews from Trustpilot to your Wix website. Thank you so much for watching this video.